east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. And Sunday night, scattered thunderstorms during the evening followed by occasional showers overnight. Low 71. Our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back in. 50 minutes past the hour. It is time for our tropical updates. Busy.
Yes, it is. Dr. Greg Postel is standing by. So we've got Kirk, Leslie, and Ileana out there. Ileana might have some impacts to Southern California and the surf.
Yeah, that's right. We're just looking at some of the forecasts from Southern California, and they do think that Ileana will bring some high swells, anyway, long period swells into Southern California. Let's look at the tropical overview and look at what's going on all around the tropics, actually. And there you are. There's Tropical Storm Ileana moving, fortunately, toward the west, away from North America, but may produce some high swells again this weekend in Southern California. And an area of low pressure across the eastern Pacific, disorganized areas of thunderstorms right now. We'll watch that for maybe some slow development over the next couple of days. Then there's weakening Hurricane Kirk moving toward the northeast fairly quickly away from North America, but strengthening Tropical Storm Leslie over the tropical Atlantic. Let's have a closer look at Leslie as of 5 a.m. Eastern time. Here's the latest advisory. It is now Tropical Storm Leslie at 70 miles per hour, west-northwest at 17 miles an hour. You know, looking at the satellite presentation over the last couple of hours, maybe it's looking okay, the inner part of the circulation, but maybe some dry air is trying to get in on the periphery. But nonetheless, we still think that it will strengthen at least a little bit over the next couple of days as it moves generally to the west-northwest. Now, the question is, where is it going to go? This is very important because what we're seeing right now, and this is the water vapor imagery showing you a good idea of what the atmospheric motions are at high altitudes, say above about 20,000 feet. But we're seeing a dip here now in some of these darker and black shading. What that is a dip in the jet stream that's developing over the western part of the Atlantic. And as Leslie continues to move off toward the west-northwest, we expect it to eventually curve toward the north in response to the high altitude southwesterly winds associated with that jet stream, which we think this weekend will be along the east coast of North America. Now, as Leslie moves away from this steering high, which has been so far guiding it primarily toward the west, it will begin to encounter that jet stream flow and then curve toward the north this weekend. But here's the problem. As we head towards next week, it will likely enter an area where there's not much steering at all. It will slow down, maybe even stall, and that's because the main branch of the jet stream will lift off to the north. We'll be left with a little bit of a cutoff low out here, high altitude winds looking like that, and again, it will be fairly far away from this steering high out to these, so it's kind of in between all of these things and won't be moving very much, and that will likely also be the case as we head towards late next week. The main branch of the jet stream, again, will likely be well off to the north. There'll be that cutoff low to the southwest. Again, not much changing there. We do see maybe the possibility, now we're starting to see in some of the forecasts, there'll be another dip in the jet stream moving toward the east coast late next week, and hopefully that will give us a better idea of where ultimately Leslie will go. But definitely residents along the east coast of the United States and the Canadian Maritimes need to watch the progress of Leslie just to be sure that it stays offshore and eventually gets moved offshore by a dip in the jet stream later on next week. I mean, here's the official track from the Hurricane Center for Leslie as it moves toward the northwest and into early next week. Category 1 officially, that's their forecast for Leslie. But notice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it really doesn't move very much at all. And so again, a weakening steering current will not allow Leslie to move very much over the Atlantic. Let's look at Hurricane Kirk. This is off to the northeast. Just for reference, there's Bermuda. 5 a.m. Eastern advisory at 75 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if that comes down in the next advisory because it's encountering some strong westerly winds aloft. And then here's the official forecast from the Hurricane Center. Notice that by Sunday, it is a 45 mile per hour tropical storm. So Kirk weakening, moving away over the North Atlantic, but all eyes now focus on Leslie, and we'll see what happens with that over the next couple of days. Back to you guys in the studio.
Dr. Postel, thank you.
All right, well, coming up here.